Hey Conscious Crew, what's going on? So for today's video, we are visiting a Jamaican restaurant in Oceanside, California. So if any of you guys are like, where's Oceanside? So if you ever go to like the San Diego area and you're heading down Highway 5, you'll run into Oceanside. So that's also a part of California. Just taking a weekend vacay. So check out the video. Hey Conscious Crew, what's going on? So today we are in Oceanside, California on a little weekend getaway, and we decided to stop at a black-owned business. We have Jamaican cuisine, black-owned business. And y'all, when I tell you this place is busy, this place is busy. There's so many people coming in to support the real Jamaican restaurant in Oceanside. So if you ever this way, check them out. I will be showing you guys what I ordered and how I like it. And then we'll also say hey to the business owner and see if we can get him to subscribe to the channel and support our Bay Area businesses. How you doing? I can't see you behind the glass. Are you the owner? You the owner?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm from Oakland, California. I'm out here visiting my sister. So I was like, let me see what's black owned here so I can support. No problem. So I don't even know. Can I have the menu or is it outside? You want me to go outside?
Menu's up there. You can look at some of the
Okay.
pictures menu there.
Okay, thank you. Plantain. Okay, y'all, thank you so much for watching. So if you made it to the end, then thank you so much for staying. And you've already seen all the great food they had today. So I'm just letting you guys know, if you're ever in Oceanside, California, we got you a couple of options on some food to eat. You can stop by here to the Jamaican restaurant, Jamaican cuisine, and check them out. Hospitality was really nice. Him and his lovely wife were very beautiful. They are not on YouTube, but they promised to subscribe to the channel, y'all. Conscious Crew, we growing, y'all. I'm about to show y'all the numbers and have a party. All right, well, you guys have a good day.